ekinena ngo omanye mu ngendero aho enkuru negezaho nayo kutaho abebembezi bejo category nicho kureba ngo kutukwika omwishenjero eminyeto eine ba members of parliament konkati buli district ba members of parliament beminyeto ni baletwa omu region hashobahija no wa national female so noreba ngo no mwishenjero eminyeto erinko mwenu neburabura abalema nabo ni kokwe omu regions ni baletwa omu regions hamwe na bakirinshu ni kokwe so government ekakitera mutoki yareba ngo aba bantu aba twaba tutabaterero gundi muhanda kugira ngo bakekora amakalimo tibali rugayo
entebe kanisa yabo eyakarura kabo
mbwenu nico twine entebe kanisa iba kweta special interest group elections ahundi kugambira hati Martin tuliyo mukire ko kwehandikisa abo abakwenda kwesimba mu structures zabakirinju zabalema na neminyeto uko kwehandikisa kukatandika ebiro bibiri 2nd June kandi kuza kwa 10th June the day after tomorrow okwehandikisa kulinka ni nyechakale aha magomboro okwehandikisa kwabo kuli aha magomboro aha magomboro ni okuza kushanga barebereze bitu abo tukweta sub county election officers na sub county supervisors bashagatirwe nabemiruka so waza ahagomboro nkerizoba noza kushanga abantu bine bipapura bingi nangwa ni activity eyijwire bipapura nyabo papura because the offices are many eminyeto eine offices 5 bakirinju bine offices 5 eminyeto ine offices 9
haringo rwegomboro
aha village
aha charo
9 they have 9 offices the older persons 9 offices, youth 9 the persons with disabilities 5 offices. Mbwenu oshanga ngo eji special interest group waba utatandikire ahali ejirevo yo kwehandikisa wote handikisiro mu structures zabo you cannot participate as a voter.